Though the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And when you get the top and I see that you've been learning. And when I took the stop, you spinning like you burning. And when you pop off on your ex, you just...
Guess what today is? So if you can see from my dramatic but also very sleek look, today is BeautyCon and I'm so excited. So what I'm going to actually do is, I already did my eye makeup, I did my foundation, brows, everything. So I just need to do a lip and then of course get dressed. If you can see that blue like right here, that's why I have this blue look going on. It's like I'm wearing a suit, but I'm just too excited. So I'm actually going to get ready for my hair and I want to do an unboxing review and actually how to style, because I really wanted bangs today and I'm so happy that this Angie Queen Hair finally came in. This is a 24-inch Brazilian body wave unit. It came just in time for BeautyCon. I'm going to rock it and give you guys an update of how it worked out, you know, if I like it or not. So let's get started. So if you knew before, I had lots of individuals in my hair that I did myself. I posted a video about it. If you want to see it, boop, check it out right there. And right now, this is what the package looks like. It's exactly what they sent me. It was kind of banged up when I got it, but yeah, like I'm gonna just show you guys. This is what the box looks like right here. There's no really, it says your present design studio, the relentless pursuit of perfection, not perfection. Okay, I think they may begin this boxing together. So here's the hair here. Came like this in a box. Of course, I'm gonna do my smell test. I'm gonna do my touch test. Okay, I'm gonna go and throw this on the floor. Alrighty. Oh, and this is actually, so wow, interesting. I did think, not gonna lie, the plucking is pretty good. I did think that this was I thought this was a frontal, y'all, but this is a closure. I don't know if that was a mistake or not, but okay, whatever. Let's get started. So I'm taking this off, braided my hair really ratchetly. Please don't mind me. And now I'm going to take this little stocking cap, and I think there's two in there, and then go on and squeeze my big head in here. Okay, and then usually what I do is, honestly, when I don't feel like doing the long method, which is today, for example, I'm just going to put the stocking cap on my head and put freeze blast around my edges, and let's see if I squeeze this on what it looks like. Okay, it's really snug. Hey, yes. I may not even need freeze spray to, ooh, this is silky. Okay. So sometimes, like, I debate if I want to wear a stocking cap or not. It does make it fit on better, but I don't know, because you can see right through this. I can do foundation, but I'm like, why don't I just not wear the stocking cap at all? So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to part this here, cut it, have bangs come down here, and then the rest of the hair is just how it is. So like, if you can see on the side, it is very wiggy right here, but if I am doing like bangs for this look, I think that this closure is actually perfect, because I'll literally cut right where the closure is. There may be no need to really glue anything down today, which makes me very, very happy. All right, now I'm gonna take my foundation. Kind of got too much, and I'm just gonna go on and start to kind of just dab that in right here. I really hope no one judges me, but I might have to use real scissors, but it's not my hair, so whoo. So let me go get the scissors, BRB. Okay guys, let's try this again. So if you can see, here's the closure piece inside. You have two clips on the side, and then you do have one more clip in the back, and there's also a strap for adjustment, but fits pretty perfectly. Okay, lovebirds. So now what I'm going to do is cut this piece off of the front. Okay, and I'm actually gonna cut this piece too. Alright, how's my lace front? Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is make sure that hair is falling on each side. And I'm gonna make a triangle in the front of my head. So we're going to separate this. Actually, I'm gonna move it a little further back. So you don't want to cut this piece because it's actually covering, yeah, you don't want to cut that piece. So we have this here. Cool. Actually, let's go down a little bit further. Okay. So now we have this first front piece. And now I'm separating. And we're gonna curve. And this honestly should be perfect. And of course I'll take some mousse or perfume, not perfume, what the heck. I'll take mousse or some setting spray to make sure that all lays down. So now what I'm going to do, and I told you guys, don't hate me, but right now this is not my own hair and I really wanted to wear this for BeautyCon. I'm also in the middle of packing, so doing all that may not be in my best interest to go through all those boxes. Shedding. So I don't know if I just cut the hair, if the hair is just shedding right now. Yeah, I don't know if I just accidentally cut it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to take this piece right here and go straight across. Okay, and so this is what I have right now. So what I'm going to do is take my flat iron and go straight down so the hair knows where it's going. So this is how I'm rocking. So right now what I can say, the hair is really soft. It does make it much easier for me to do these bangs because it's not so thick in the front. But let's continue. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it a little bit more to my liking. I'm going to cut it like about here. Okay. And you always want to be careful because you never want to cut it too short. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just flipping the hair at the bottoms and fraying the ends with the scissors. So I'm just thinning out the ends a little bit because I do want these bangs to be a little bit thinner. I'm gonna unravel it, see what's going on. So as you can see right now, it's high key, not staying down, which is fine. So I'm taking my flat iron and making sure to flat iron that down. Now I'm gonna go on with the second row. The hair is very staticky right now, which I'd really rather not be, but oh well. Okay. So of course I would not wear my hair like this. Like, hey, this looks kind of cray-cray. So what I'm going to do is go back in and I'm gonna cut these bangs again. So I have it like this. And I'm going to go on and cut this bottom piece. And this is what I'm working with. So now what I'm going to do, guys, is right now this is what I have. But you're going to want to make sure you have a flat iron on deck because it'll make your life that much more easier. So now this is what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna cut the end at an angle. So this is definitely still too long to my liking, so give me a sec. Going in with my spray. Booyah, y'all. So what I'm gonna do for the edge is kind of brush it down. I'm gonna take my hair out of this ponytail. So this is what I'm working with. I'm gonna take these two pieces and kind of lay them flat because they just, now they wanna stay all up. Okay. Uh-oh, I think I done messed up that part. So I really like these bangs though. I may not even need to straighten the hair. Ooh wee. Yes. Guys, I'm a fan. A whole fan. Oh my god. I look good. I look like bae. Alright, lovebirds. I hope you were able to follow along with this tutorial. This is what I'm rocking with. I really like the bumped under bangs, kind of like Selena look. I will definitely be taking lots of vids, pictures, and getting myself together, but I hope you guys enjoyed. This is Angie Queen Hair, along with my BeautyCon fit. And I'm going to post a vlog soon, so stay tuned for more content. And with the yams, Amber Simone is coming to you soon. Love you guys. Peace.